Hello, Barry Anderson with Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great. Today we're going to talk a little bit about Apron, Blue Apron, APRN. Now, when you look at this stock, first of all, and you're scrambling to find news, you're not going to find any. I mean, this is what they call a meme stock. I think it's either Wall Street Bets or some group in Reddit has decided that they want to trade this one. Why? Because of that high short float percent, 51%. Low float, high short float percent. It's been a bit of a darling in that for them for quite a while now. 3 month high, and of course won race after race after. Well, not actually didn't win that many races. It's only won 3 races, but of course it was showing up many times in the racing. So that is why we were focusing on this one in the trading room, and I don't know where it's going from now, but if it takes out 730 again, it could have another run in it because I think 857 is the next high looking left. All right, everybody, I want to get back into the trading room, so have a great evening and we'll see you then. Bye bye.